Hello, I am Patricia, and today I've been looking at the new Little Mac collection. I just had some fun and created this look. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So we've got some lippies, and I can see some of my favorite classics like Ruby Woo. I've got Metha, I've got Velvet Teddy, I've got Chili. There's so many different minis which I think are super cute. And there are also some great base products as well, which are favorites that you can just put in your bag if you're traveling, or if you never get through your full size ones, why not go for some minis? So they've also got the miniature wipes. These are actually called the DEMI wipes, which is extra cute as well. So we're gonna start off light. I'm gonna go in with a Velvet Teddy. It's a classic, and I feel like it's one of those nudie pinks that goes on everyone's skin tone. Okay, so this is just as gorgeous as I remember. It's a really nice kind of pinky nude, very girly, very springy. I love it. Next, I'm gonna go in with the complete opposite, which is Sin, which is a nice, deep, dark burgundy. I love this color. I feel like it looks like I mean business. This is, you know, the color you wear when you walk into work and you want to tell your boss you're leaving because you've got a better job. Last but not least, it's got to be my MAC favorite, and it is Ruby Woo. It's like the ultimate red of all reds, and I love it. Check out Ruby Woo on. You can see why it's my favorite. Okay, next up, I'm going to play with some pigments. We also have Little Mac pigments. How gorgeous are these? Oh, and actually naked looks great as well. So I'm going to use the pigments in different ways, the ways that I actually genuinely use them. So I'm going to put a little pop in my eye, a little bit in my tear duct, and some highlight on the cheek. How amazing is the glow? You might just want to light up someone's life with your highlighter. So be fabulous, darling. Now, what I'm going to do to really get that shine to pay off on my lid, I'm going to use Fix Plus. Oh, it's also a mini. This is a great way to get the pigment to be more like a liquid metal on your eye. And I'm going to go for Melon. You can see that pigment just coming through. My eyes are glistening and fabulous. You can see this eye versus this eye. This eye has really got that shine, that pigment is coming through. And this is me on a night out, you won't miss me. Next up, I'm gonna go with Naked just in my tear duct. I love doing this because I feel like it makes the whites of your eyes look a little bit whiter, and it also just gives you that little twinkle. But actually the twinkle in my eye is MAC. Okay, finally, I'm going to mix all three pigments to make the ultimate highlight. I'm going to glow, and then I'm gonna use a fan brush. A little tap. And I have a feeling we're going to look fantastic. So as you can see, I've made my perfect highlighter. And there are so many different pigment colors, so you can mix them up depending on your skin tone and get one that's going to work for you. So currently, I look like I've got a little bit of a pin-up look going on, which I do love, but I want to take it back just a little bit. And Little Mac also has the lip glasses as well, which of course I love. And I'm gonna go for something a bit more nudie and demure and paid back. And I'm gonna go for Spiked, which is this shade here. And I'm just gonna take off Ruby Woo. Okay, so I've just lined a little bit with Bittersweet, and then I'm gonna go in with Spiked, which I just love the look of. So that is my final look using some of the goodies from the Little Mac collection. These are available exclusively at Debenhams, and they are £12 each. Even though they're little, they definitely pack a punch.